Hey my brothers and sisters, welcome back to another tutorial. In the previous video we created this amazing scroll animation using GSAP, but today I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing using pure JavaScript and CSS, no libraries, no frameworks, just the raw power of JavaScript and CSS. The magic happens with CSS clip path, which creates a smooth sliding effect that uncovers the colorful image. And this time we'll use vanilla JavaScript synchronize animation with the scroll. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with the HTML. Here is what we have. A main section at the top and a footer at the bottom. This ensures the page is scrollable. The main animation happens in a parallax section, which wrapped in a parallax section wrapper. Inside the parallax section, there are two span elements, one for the graphical background, graphical BG, and one for the colorful background, which is colorful BG. And finally, we have an image element for the scroll indicator that moves alongside the animation. Now let's talk about the CSS. Here is what we have done. The body has dark background and we have styled the fonts of the text in the main and footer. And initially we give the parallax section wrapper a larger height, like 4000 pixels. Later we will calculate its exact height. We give the parallax section is position sticky. This keeps it pinned in place as the user scrolls. The graphical BG and the colorful BG span the entire width and height of the section and share the same background image. The graphical BG has a filter graphical 100%, while the colorful BG starts with a clip path that hides it almost completely. The indicator starts off screen to the right and moves alongside the colorful reveal. Now let's add JavaScript to bring this animation to life. The main idea is to listen for the scroll event, calculate how far the user has scrolled, and update two things: the clip path of the colorful BG to reveal the colorful image, and the position of the indicator to move alongside the animation. First, if scroll Y greater than parallax section wrapper offset top, this ensures that the animation only starts when the top of the parallax section wrapper enters the viewport. We need to ensure the scroll effect begins when the user scrolls to that point. And we have let scroll 0 equals scroll Y minus parallax section wrapper offset top divide by 15. Here's what's happening. Scroll Y minus parallax section wrapper offset top. This ensures that the scroll starts at 0 when the parallax section wrapper enters the viewport. And diving by 15, slow down the scroll effect, creating smoother animation. So instead of scroll speed directly mapping one by one with animation, it goes at slower pace. We ensure scroll 0 doesn't exceed 100, so the animation stops once the scroll reaches the end. Now let's update the clip path and indicator position. The clip path progress starts at 100% fully hidden and decreases as we scroll, revealing the colorful background. And indicator progress start at 0% from the far right and increases at 200% to the poly left in sync with the clip path. And last but not least, we calculate the height of the parallax section wrapper logically based on the scroll progress. Since the scroll progress is calculated by this to ensure the animation reaches 100%. Here, for every 50 pixels of scroll, animation progressively by 1%. So it will be 1500 pixels plus 100 viewport height. And that's it. We have created a beautiful scroll animation using only vanilla JavaScript and CSS. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and fun. You can play with this by adjusting the scroll speed, or even the images. Let me know if you have any question or if you would like me to dive deeper into the scroll effects and animations. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.